Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Do not thaw the quiche. Place the frozen quiche in the oven and bake for about 1 hour, or until the filling is set and the crust is golden brown. To cook the quiche immediately, without freezing first, preheat the oven to 350 degrees and bake for 45 minutes to 1 hour.
Take our lead.
Due to the high egg content, reheated quiche can sometimes turn out watery, or the crust might become soggy. If the quiche contains bacon, such as a quiche Lorraine, the bacon might become soggy in the microwave.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It will be perfectly safe, but you need to make sure it's cooked all the way through. Have you got time to defrost it in the microwave first? If not, just add the 20 minutes onto the cooking time and keep checking to make sure that it's not burning.
Let's help you make your mark.
How to reheat frozen quiche. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the quiche on a baking sheet. Cover your quiche with aluminum foil. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes. Allow the quiche to sit for about 15 minutes before removing the foil. The quiche is done when it reaches an internal temperature of 160 degrees.
Make your mark, take our lead.
When ready to bake, preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit degrees. Do not thaw the quiche. Remove the aluminum foil and plastic wrap. Place foil loosely over the quiche and place the frozen quiche into the oven and bake for 50 minutes.
Let's help you make your mark.
3 to 4 months. You will want to eat quiche within 3 to 4 days of refrigeration, but this can be extended to at least 3 to 4 months if it is frozen. The shelf life of quiche depends on the sell-by date, the preparation method, the ingredients used and how it was stored.
Let's help you make your mark.
Yes, you can make quiche ahead of time and reheat it. You can fully bake it, then allow it to cool and store it in the refrigerator. You can also fully bake it, allow it to cool and then freeze it. You can also put together a quiche in advance and bake it when you are ready to serve it.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.